Guess what's back? Hey guys, it's Ritty, and this is RityDIY, and today I'm going to be talking about the newest DIY that I made, which was again on the Cricut. Forgive whatever's going on with my hair, it's still wet from my shower. So what I'm going to be using for this project is basically a baby tumbler, and I mean that both because it's small, but also because it's for a baby. It is a insulated flip straw cup, and I went with purple. It was $9.96. So, but yeah, literally it's like Walmart brand. It's Parents' Choice. It left this weird like discoloration. I'm assuming that'll go away. I don't understand what I'm doing wrong with shutting this. Does it have to be somewhere specific? Like, how am I supposed to shut this for a child if I can't shut it for me? I mean, I guess I wouldn't be. This is all going to be Rachel. But maybe I want to get one for Finn. I don't know. But not if I can't shut it. I don't understand. Okay, whatever. We'll figure it out later. So, the holographic vinyl is back because I really wanted to use it last week. And I couldn't, and I was upset, and anyway, so I decided that I would do what I said in the last video and make her a sippy cup with it, and that's what I'm doing. So something different this week is I actually started using Amazon as a like affiliate link program thing, and so below I will link everything in this video so that if you want to buy it and make it yourself, I'll have links to find it on Amazon. But yeah, if you want to subscribe, hit subscribe. If you want to like it, hit the thumbs up. Alrighty, so we are back in Cricut Design Space once again, and I am making another mermaid inspired project for my niece. Okay, so today I just started looking, and I'm over here on Google, and I'm seeing a lot of different stuff. But yeah, I think what I've decided on is this cute PNG. It'll be super simple and easy, and it'll look really, really cute. So I'm going to right click, save image as. We're going to go to Charity YouTube. I'm going to do a new one actually. Awesome. So opening that, and then I'm going to save this as Mermaid Monogram PNG. Cool. So now that we have that, we're going to go back to Cricut Design Space, and then we're going to go to upload. So when it does this, it asks you if you want to do upload image, upload pattern. So we're going to upload image, browse, and it should already be a PNG. Look how easy that is. All I have to do is hit continue, and I don't need to change anything there. I want to save as a cut image. See how it makes it even more simple. This technically there's like a little bit of a border or something. Anyways, so that's good to go. I'm just going to give it some tags so that I can find it later on. So I'm just going to put Mermaid Monogram PNG. That's fine. Save. And boom, there it is. So then I highlight it, hit insert image, and there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna do about 3.5 inches by like 3 and a little extra, 3.087 inches. So I have that, and that's gonna be the holographic. And then on the other side, I decided I wanted to do a pebble, which is basically off-white. And I want it to say Princess Addie because that's what I call her. And so for that, I want to do it, let's see here. I don't even know technically how I spell Addie. I think I did that. All right, and then I'm gonna change the font. Let me see what this looks like. I kind of like it. I feel like it's gonna be weird because it's so small. Like cutting it out wise. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna group this together, and I'm gonna group, oops, all those together. That way I can move them individually as words, like this. I think that's better spacing. So then I'll group them all, and then I will weld it. Perfect. Okay. So now I need to change the letters that are in the monogram because they don't match my niece's. So I need it to actually say A-M-R, M in the middle for last name. So I'm finding the monogram font on dafont.com and just downloading it to my laptop so that I can access it in Cricut Design Space. If you guys want me to go over that more later, I can. So for what I'm going to be doing, I need a circle for some slicing. And then I'll go ahead and add the words. But the way that this monogram font works, it actually gives you one monogram circle with all 3 letters for each individual letter, which you'll see right here. So what I'm gonna have to do is work around that and find a loophole so that I can actually create my own custom monogram with just the A, the M in the middle, and then the R on the right. So I'll use a square to slice each of the letters that I don't need from each of the circles, and then I will add them all together to be the one final circle. I know that sounds confusing, so just watch. And again, I'm just slicing. All I'm doing is covering the letters I don't want with that square and then hitting that slice button. Now that I have that finished, I'm going to go ahead and group those together so that they become one image again. And then I'll take my circle and I'm going to cover up the original monogram just so that that's covered and nothing else. And I'll slice that as well so I can make that area empty, and then I can put my new monogram in. Yay, it looks really good. So now that we're ready to go, we can go ahead and get all of this grouped together and then weld it and finally go make it. Just like in my last video, I'm using 2 different types of materials, so I'm going to put them all on the same mat, just making sure that I place them in the correct spot so that when they do cut out, it'll be on the correct material for each part. And in this one, we actually don't have to mirror or anything like that, so don't worry about that part. So I'm finally using the holographic vinyl, and then of course that pebble vinyl as well, and my trusted multimedia scissors, which by the way are, yes, also linked below in Amazon. Now that they're ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and start weeding, and also I'm going to have a square of transfer tape nearby so that I can get that off of the backing and onto the cup. And finally, we have our finished product. I'm really excited to give this to Anime. Thank you guys for watching, as always, and if you liked the video, definitely give me that thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to see... If you liked what you saw and you want to see more videos like this in the future, definitely subscribe, and if you want, you can hit that notification bell, and that way you'll be notified as soon as I post a new video. Leave your comments below. I want to hear from you. I've gotten a couple comments on each video so far, And I've actually really enjoyed those. It's great to hear from you guys. Mwah. Yeah, okay. Well, it is past my bedtime. I love all of you, and I hope to see you next week. Mwah.